YouTube, it's your boy Zamba. Welcome back to another banger. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the dominant break. It's a technique, all right? So how to use it? It's a domination break or dominant break, all right? So it's a combination of candlestick that breaks a specific candle, all right? Not just any candle, but a specific candle, and you use them on your setups and you use them when trading. So how to properly use them, watch to the end of this video to understand everything from the beginning. So if you are new to this channel, do it to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. And if you are new to if you are a returning subscriber, I love you guys. You are welcome back to another episode of the series, right? So let's get right into the video. Now I'm on this 15-minute time frame. You can use time frames 15 minutes, you can use 30 minutes time frame. If you are scalping, then you can go to 5 minutes time frame, just 5 minute time frame. Don't go to the 1 minute, okay? Just go to the 5 minute time frame, or the let's say 10 minutes time. You can start from here. You can select the time frame you need, but it should not be less than the 5 minute time frame, okay? If you are scalping though, then if you are day trading, you use the 15-minute time frame down to the H1 time frame. Then if you are swing trading, you use the H4. You can use the H4, or start from the H3 or H2 time frame down to the swing traders. They hold trade for long, so they minimize H4 down to D1. Then for position holders that hold their trade for decades, years to come, and they are investors, you use the daily, which of course we are trying to make money every single day, right? So we are not investing on a long term. This is actually we trading. Now let's see. I'm in the 15-minute time frame right now, and this is how you use the dominant break. So what is actually the dominant break, or the domination break, or the double or triple or multiple engulfing? It means, on the previous video we talked about the engulfing, and we use a specific time frame for that. So if you have not watched that video, do it to watch that video. It's the previous video on this channel, previous video after this video, okay, before this video, sorry. Now we have the engulfing candle, which is this right here. So the multiple engulfing, or the domination engulfing, or the dominant break, or the multiple engulfing, is the one that requires multiple candlestick to break a specific candle. So it's either the bullish candlestick or the bearish candlestick, but the domination will come from a different candlestick. So let me give you guys an example. Let me find one for you guys. So if you look at this setup right here, we look at this candlestick, this particular candlestick here, right? This one here. Let me put it like this. It's funny, so funny. It's just attaching itself. I don't know why. Anyways, that's how MT4 does. But yeah, so you look at this candlestick right there. We draw from the beginning down to the end, right? And then we extend, and guess what? Boom. So this was the candlestick that broke this candle right here. So this is what we call the domination break, okay? So if you look at this, we have this candlestick. We look at where this candlestick actually, which candlestick actually broke the structure, and then we extend down to the entry right here. Okay, good. So this is gonna be our TP. Now remember, this is the 15 minutes time frame, and I told you if you want to scalp, right, you can use other zones. So this time our TP was not hit. So remember, this is just an example, okay? I'm not necessarily just telling you guys, okay, trade any, because you don't trade this setup anyhow, but I'm trying to explain so you can know what the setup looks like, and that is how the setup looks like, okay? That's how the setup looks like. So let me remove all those stuff, and let's go and see how we are going to use this setup well, how we trade the setup properly. So first of all, what you need is a setup. We are going to use the current market situation, because can't go back in time, okay? No need for that. Let's just go straight to what the market was initially. The current price action is right here. So this is the current price right here. So that's where we are targeting. Now let's assume we want to take this trade from this angle here. We want to take this trade from this zone. We have to wait, right, for our setup. Now the setup we have here was a rejection block right here, right? We have a rejection block at this point right here. Now if we zoom in, right, we are going to see an engulfing, right? We're going to see an engulfing, which is very good. We're going to see an engulfing. Now if we go to let's say lower time frame, we are going to see a double engulfing. Okay, so that is why I said if you are scalping, it all depends on you. If you don't see the confirmation on the higher time frame, you go to a lower time frame. Mostly you do this when you are trying to enter. You can decide to enter on the M30, you can decide to enter on the H4, but mostly when you are entering, so that when you are putting your stop loss, you know what you are risking, so that you will not go and take your trade on a non-safer zone, and that will lead to something else. But right now, as you guys can see, look at this right here, this particular level right here. This is our confirmation, right? Remember we said this candlestick did not break, and this candlestick broke the structure. Then we can take our entry here and put our stop loss, let's say here. Remember, this is where your risk will come in. Either you want to put it here or here or here, it all depends on you. But your TP can go as low as you can think of, as low as you can hold. It all depends on what you want. You can hold till this zone, you can hold till this zone, you can hold till whatever. Okay, but the thing is your entry. So far your entry is good. That is what you need, right? And we also took another re-entry. If we look at this right here, we also have another re-entry setup. We have a bullish candle, good, and then we have an inside candle starting off with the engulfing. This is the starting point of the domination break. Here we took the break now, good. Now then we take our entry from here. We put our stop loss right below here, above here, or above here, or above here, anywhere you want. And then you put your TP anywhere. You can, like I said before, you can put your TP here, 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 here. All right, so that is it. Now what you need to do, you can go back to your setups. You can go back to your chart and see this stuff for yourself, right? You see this stuff was a W pattern. You can see this stuff was, remember, you must see a setup on W pattern. And guess what, we have this here. So this is our candlestick. This candle did not break, this candle did not break, this candle did not break, but this candle broke the structure. Guess what, we took our entry here and we put our stop loss right below, and see how the market went all the way up. And look at that. I don't even know how it went so far, but of course I don't care. Just do your thing. It consolidates, it goes up, goes down, it doesn't matter. So far you have your stop loss, your TP in place if you want to leave the chart. But for me, you know me too well, I always monitor my chart, because I don't use stop loss. Like, when I'm trying to grow accounts, I don't use that. But of course, when you are trying to have targets, you have other things to do. Unlike me, I'm a full-time trader, right? So if you have other things to do, guess what, you use your stop loss, you put your TP and do whatever. You can go flex, you can go have fun, do other thing you want to do, go to your 9 to 5. But so far you have everything set. So guys, this is gonna wrap up today's video. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment down below, subscribe if you're new to this channel, do it too. Of course, you want to go extreme, you want to go advanced, you know what to do. Use the link in my video description to reach out. And yeah, more bangers are going to be coming soon for sure. So stay subscribed and don't leave. Of course, if you do, you're going to miss it, right? So I love you guys, stay safe. It's your boy Zamba, Lion FS Gang, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.
Custom on the beat. Damn, David. said she gonna